The Boy Who Lived in Books. In a small blue house at the end of a quiet street lived a boy named Leo. Leo loved many things. He loved sunshine, he loved chocolate milk, but most of all, Leo loved books. Every morning before breakfast, Leo opened a book. Every afternoon after school, Leo opened a book. Every night under his cozy blanket, Leo opened a book. His room was full of stories. Leo didn't just read books, he traveled inside them. When he read about pirates, he sailed the sea. When he read about space, he floated among the stars. When he read about jungles, he heard monkeys swinging in trees. His friends liked video games. Some liked soccer. Some liked riding bikes. Leo liked those things too, but books were his greatest adventure. One rainy afternoon, the power went out. The house became dark and quiet. No television, no lights, no tablet. Leo smiled. He lit a small flashlight and opened a book about dragons. Suddenly, the storm outside sounded like dragon wings. The thunder sounded like a mighty roar. Leo wasn't scared. He was brave. Reading makes you brave, Leo whispered to himself. Because in books, heroes solve problems. They help others. They never give up. Leo wanted to be like that. At school, Leo noticed something. His friend Sam was sad. "I don't like reading," Sam said. "The words are too hard." Leo thought for a moment. The next day, Leo brought a funny picture book to school. "Let's read together," he said kindly. They sat under a tree and read slowly. They laughed at the silly drawings. Sam's eyes began to shine. "That was fun," he said. "Can we read another one?" Leo's heart felt warm and bright. Soon, more children joined them. They made a small reading club. They read about animals. They read about astronauts. They even wrote their own short stories. Leo learned something important. Books were not just for adventures. Books were for sharing. Books were for friendship. One night, Leo's mother tucked him into bed. "What do you want to be when you grow up?" she asked. Leo hugged his favorite book. "I want to be someone who tells stories," he said softly. "Because stories make the world bigger, kinder, and brighter." His mother smiled. As Leo closed his eyes, he imagined shelves and shelves of books. And somewhere in the future, another little child would open a book and travel into a story written by Leo. And that made him very, very happy.